Hi guys, welcome to another Hooligans Kitchen video. Today we are going to be making chocolate chip oatmeal cookies.
We'll go show you the ingredients. Here are the ingredients. 2 cups of old-fashioned whole rolled oats, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, half a cup of unsalted butter, half a cup of packed dark or light brown sugar, half a cup of granulated sugar, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of pure maple syrup, 1½ teaspoons of pure vanilla extract, and 1 cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips. Let's get to baking. You're going to need 2 large bowls for this. First step is to preheat the oven to 350 degrees.
The first is the oats, and 2 cups of it. And 1 cup of flour. Half of a teaspoon of baking soda. Half a teaspoon of salt. One teaspoon of cinnamon. Now we're going to whisk it all together. Now we're going to put the dry ingredient bowl aside and get the other bowl. And 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. 1½ teaspoons of vanilla extract. And mix on low until it's combined. Now we're going to get half a cup of brown sugar and half a cup of regular sugar. Now add 1 stick of butter, which we have already melted. Now we're going to mix it on medium speed until it's creamy. Now it's creamy. Now we're going to crack the egg and add it into the bowl. We're going to mix it on low until it's combined. Now you're going to add the dry ingredients into the wet ingredients. And mix on low until it's well combined. And then you're going to add the 1 cup of chocolate chips. And then you are going to stir it all together. The batter is all mixed, and we're going to scoop it onto this tray. We have 2 trays of cookies, and we're going to cook them in the oven for about 13 to 15 minutes. So the cookies are all ready, and now we're going to try them.
That's really good.
That is delicious.
Thanks for watching, and we hope you decided to try these yourself. And make sure to look out for more Hooligans Kitchen videos because we'll be posting them a lot. And we'll see you in the next video.